Many of us will get ready for 2021 with the best intentions in mind. This year I'm gonna quit smoking, I'm gonna quit drinking, I'm gonna start meditating every day, I'm gonna work out every single day. Yes, 2021 is gonna be my best year ever. For the first week of the year, you are full of motivation and you stick to all of your resolutions. The next month you do it every other day, and next thing you know, a few months later, you are back to square one. You are disappointed and you are wondering why it didn't work. In this video, I will tell you why most people fail with their New Year resolutions, and I'm gonna give you 3 steps to follow to quit drinking for good in 2021. Hi everyone, I am Will, your Sober Mind coach, and I'm here to help you quit the poison, stay sober, and start living the life that you deserve by changing your mindset. So if you tried to quit alcohol many times before without success, or if you just want to get rid of this bad habit, make sure that you subscribe to the channel for many more videos to come. The main reason why you don't succeed with your New Year resolutions is that sometimes you forget that you are human. Yes, if you set too many goals for yourself, it's just so hard, almost impossible to follow up. So instead of setting 5 goals and ending up a few months later not doing any of them, just decide on one goal only, the one that is the most important to you, the one that you think is gonna have actually the biggest impact on your life, and that is the one that you need to focus. For example, in this case, it could be quitting drinking alcohol. But don't forget that the key to success is consistency. You need to be really consistent and show up every single day in order for your goal, for this habit to last for forever. And the great news with quitting drinking is that it has a compound effect. What it means that you're gonna quit drinking alcohol and a lot of other things are gonna kind of automatically happen because of the quitting alcohol. You're gonna be more productive, you're gonna have more energy, you're gonna feel healthier, so you're gonna exercise more, and all of this you not really like thinking, it's not part of the plan, but it's just gonna happen automatically when you decide to quit drinking alcohol. But anyway, at the end, you need to focus on quitting drinking. That's your main focus, and the rest, just let it happen. So if you decide as a New Year resolution to quit drinking alcohol forever, make sure that you follow those 3 very important steps. Step number 1. Don't set a date. Setting a specific date is basically putting too much pressure on yourself. And if for whatever reason you fail on that date, well, you're gonna be really upset and most probably you're gonna relapse. So instead of setting a specific date, decide to quit when you are ready. And you will be ready when your mind is ready. Mindset is everything. Mindset is what is gonna make the whole difference. With the right mindset, basically, you're not gonna want to drink anymore. You're gonna be totally free from this burden. I only quit drinking 4 months ago, but I feel totally free. I know that I will never drink again in my life, and that's an amazing feeling, believe me. I sleep well from the beginning. I had absolutely no issues because my mindset was in the right place. So taking the time to work on this is so important, and it will make the whole difference. So give it a try, and please follow the next 2 steps because this is what is gonna set your mindset, of course, in the right direction. Step number 2 is work on your why. If you are very clear on why you are quitting drinking, the how will come to you naturally. And the stronger the reasons you have to quit drinking, the easier it's gonna be. So I'm gonna ask you at this time, pause the video, go grab a pen and paper. Don't just think it, you need to ink it. It makes it a lot more important to you if you actually take the time to write it down on paper. Or you can even use your phone, I don't care. But make sure that you write this down for yourself. What are all the reasons you have for quitting drinking? What is the reason? What are those reasons? What is the why? And the why is so important, as I said. You're gonna state it like this. I am becoming sober because, and then first you're gonna start with the obvious reasons. Well, because it's a bad habit, because alcohol is bad for you, because I hate the hangovers, blah blah blah. So just state all of those very obvious reasons, the reasons that most people would have. And then next to this, and this one you really need to take the time on thinking and reflecting on those questions, all the more personal reasons why you are quitting, because those reasons are for yourself and they might be different. You don't have the same reasons to quit as somebody else, but you need to be really clear on why it is important to you to quit drinking. So for example, for me, I hated the person I was becoming when I was drinking. I didn't like this person anymore. Even if I did have fun at the beginning, it was not fun anymore, and I just didn't like who I was under the influence of alcohol. And this is very personal to me. Not everybody's like this, but knowing this really helped me so much to quit drinking and to make it last, to become a sober person, becoming sober in my mind. So make sure that you write down all of those reasons. Keep this list close by. Maybe take a picture with your phone so you always have it with you. And you know, don't be afraid to come back, especially at the beginning. Read it in the morning, read it at night, or every time if you have a little craving. It's always good to come back on this list and never forget why you are quitting drinking. Don't forget the reasons that bring you in this situation. And finally, step 3 is work on your goals. Your goals are your vision of the future. So taking the time to write down those goals is your chance on being very clear on who you want to be in the future. So decide and write down what you want to accomplish in 2021. And you can divide those goals in different categories. You can have career, health, relationships, dreams. So those are, for example, all the places that you want to visit, or any crazy stuff that you want to do in life. So make sure that you write all of those goals down. And for each goal, you're also going to write down a plan on how you intend to reach the goal. So for example, one of my goals is to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's one of my goals. Yours is going to be different. But you're going to write down a plan. What you can do, what you're going to do on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, in order to make sure that you accomplish, that you reach this goal. And this is very important, because this is really going to help you on a daily basis to not just sit down and scroll on Instagram the whole day, not knowing what you're going to do with your life, because you have a goal, you have a plan, and it helps you so much being productive. The reason this is so important is because the biggest reason why people can't quit drinking, or they don't stop drinking alcohol, is because of fear. It's the fear of missing out, the fear of failure, and the fear of success also. So having strong goals and really knowing what you want in life and having a plan will take away this fear. So take the time right now to work on this list of goals that you have for 2021. You can also make a list of what are your goals for the next 10 years, the next 5 years. I like having different list of goals. So once again, the 3 steps that you must follow are, first of all, don't set any specific date. Second is work on your why, your reasons why you want to quit drinking. And the last but not least, of course, is set your goals. Write them down on paper. Don't just think it, you need to ink it, make it important, and it will literally change everything. So if you have found any value in this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It really helps YouTube to promote this video and make it seen by who needs to see it. Of course, let me know in the comments, what are your reasons to quit drinking? What are your goals for this year? It can maybe inspire me and inspire anybody that's going to watch this video and also comment. So make sure that you share this with others. It can really help. So once again, best of luck with your New Year's resolutions, and I will see you Tuesday for a brand new video. Ciao!